Okay, well,
okay.
this song was not supposed to be said.
I'm not supposed to be recording right now, but I'm recording because this is just too fucking funny. Like, I'm missing out on shit, and it just isn't right. And once again, YouTube, Instagram, wherever this ends up at, my hair looks like this. Wait, let me explain.
Wait,
my hair.
Let me explain. Wait. Let me explain. Right. Hold that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just,
yeah.
You know, it's there.
My hair.
It's there right now.
The hair looks like this because we were caught out in the
storm, right?
We went shopping, and when we came out, it was pouring rain. Buka rain. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. And this is why the hair looks like that. I did not look like this earlier. I had curls all in my hair. I'm not nappy.
Yeah, I looked way different. Starting the day out, I had on some makeup, lipstick, right? You know, that's how it started. But
you know, I make it do what it do because at least it's my hair. I have nothing against people who wear weaves. I have worn a weave, but you have to be able to wear your real shit too. That's That's all I'm gonna fucking say. So, you know, ain't that right, sister? I need to fix it while I'm talking shit about bitches.
This might not be on the Instagram.
No, because you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is, you know? You need to be real. You need to be real. Real. Long hair. Don't care. Makeup on the face, but it's not a full shebang. So, I don't give a fuck. Y'all can kiss my ass. And if you got offended by that, you're a fake bitch. Yeah. Hit a soft spot right there. Yeah. Because not every video I'm gonna look like this. Because I'm a real bitch. What you know about that? Hey. 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 Deuces, and we'll be back.